Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the arrow keys on your keyboard are not working, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we need to do is check whether there's an issue with the keyboard itself, and for that we need to unplug it if you have an external keyboard, and to try to plug it into another system if you have one, or if not, then look for another system where you can plug it in. And if it works on that other system, then your keyboard is damaged. The pins must have been damaged, or there must be some issue with the buttons itself. Now if it does not work on the other system itself, then the second thing we need to do is we need to check if you're running any games like first person shooter games, where normally the keys settings change to WSAD. And what we need to do is we need to go to those games, and we need to change the default keys, or the we need to change the hotkeys into the arrow keys. Okay, and if that too doesn't work, then we just need to restart the computer. So to do that, we will click on the start button, click on the power button, and we will click on restart. Now another thing we can do, if even after restart, if those arrow keys are not working, is we can run the device and hardware troubleshooter. So for that we need to press the Windows and the R button together, and we need to enter this command msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic device diagnostic, and press enter. Now we need to click here on advanced, and need to check this box apply repairs automatically, and click next. Now this will automatically detect any problems or errors, and it will fix it by itself. Finally, if these solutions don't work, which they most surely should work, in the rare case if it doesn't work, then we'll update the keyboard driver. So for that, what we need to do is we will right click, we will go to device manager, click on device manager, go to keyboards, and we will right click and update the driver on the HID keyboards. Now the standard PSD keyboard is those old keyboards which use the three plug pin, and we don't have to update it. If you're using the older ones, then you need to update this also. If this video helped, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.